Hello to everybody. My name is Moses. This class I am going to present about the break-even point. The other name of the break-even point is the cost volume profit analysis. We can also say that break-even analysis. What does it mean? It means it's a breaking the even. For example, suppose a company wants to produce the products. How many products if they sell, they can get neither profit nor loss. It may be the 10 number of products or 20 number of products, so whatever it may be. So identifying that one, it is called the break-even point. Now let me explain about the break-even chart from this diagram. See the x-axis, it's called the sales volume. Y-axis, it's called the total cost and the total revenue. So how we have to draw the break-even point from the given data? See, in the x-axis, there are the 1000 units, 2000 units, 3000 units, 4000 units, 5000 units. And y-axis, there are the 1000, so maybe the profit, whatever it may be, you can say, that means the total cost or the total revenue. Then 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. So the x-axis, it's about mention about the sales volume or maybe the unit produced. The y-axis, it's mentioned about the profit which they have, which is supposed to be earned. See, the calculation, it's like that. How the calculations, it's work out. See, every productions, there is a total cost, and the total cost may be the fixed cost and the variable cost. The fixed cost means the cost never change until the particular number of units produced. But variable cost is always vary when the number of units changing. See, let me explain first about the fixed cost from this graph. See, if we produce 1000 units, the fixed cost is maybe the 2400. If we produce 2000 units, the fixed cost is 2400. We produce 3000 units, the fixed cost is same 2400. If produce 4000 units, the fixed cost is same 2400. Similarly, if we produce 5000 units, the fixed cost is 2400. That means cost never change if we produce up to 5000 units. That's called the fixed cost. So graph goes like this. Graph goes like this. Next, let me explain about the variable cost. What is the variable cost here? Based on the number of unit produces, the cost is changing. For example, here, if they produce 1000 units, the the variable cost is coming somewhere here. That means that, look at here, this is a, suppose for example, from this is a fixed cost, it's a fixed one. Then the variable cost, see, look at here. So if the if that 1000 rupees, 1000 units, if you are producing it, then the variable cost is somewhere it's coming here. Okay, that means total cost plus it's at varying it out. Maybe here, maybe around 2700, it's like that. If we produce 2000 units, then the variable cost is somewhere here 2000. 2,900. Then if you are producing 3,000 units, then the variable cost is somewhere it's coming 3,000. So similarly for the 4,000 and 5,000, we have to draw the line. Then total cost. What is the total cost? Fixed cost plus the variable cost. So that fixed cost and variable cost, we have to add it so that we have to draw the line from here. 0 point, it's a linear equations, straight line. If we draw like this, so where it is, it's connecting this point. It's called the break-even point. That means neither loss nor profit. That means here, if they produce 3,000 units and sell it for 3,000 rupees, the firm will get neither profit nor loss. The other name of this point is also the margin of safety. That means if they sell more than 3,000 units, they get profit. So this is a way we should understand about the break-even chart or break-even point, or the cost volume profit analysis, or the margin of safety point. So this is what the explanations of this graph. Thank you very much.